In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features available here. Now you need to scroll all the way down again, but this time tap on Dual Messenger. When you're ready, clone any app by tapping on the gray switcher right next to it. If you wish, before that, you can tap on this switcher to enable Used Separate Contact List option. If you wanna do it, click on the switcher, tap on this option on the left, and choose Select Contacts. Then click on Add at the top right corner and tap on any contacts you wanna pick. When you finished, make sure to tap on Done and then go back. If you don't want to use it, you can disable it thanks to the same switcher. Make sure to tap on OK in the pop-up to confirm your choice. Now, to clone one of your apps, after tapping on the gray switcher, select Install in this pop-up at the bottom right corner. Then wait, and when you see this switcher turned blue, go back to check out that your app was successfully cloned. Now, if you ever wanna delete any clone, you can do that like you would any other app, by tapping on Install, or you can go back to the same section in Settings and tap on blue switcher here. Then tap on Uninstall in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!